Every day, organizations manage thousands of contracts, policies, and compliance documents. However, with growing complexity, legal risk, and tight deadlines, maintaining control becomes a challenge. Manual reviews take hours. Critical clauses get missed. Compliance becomes harder to track, and important decisions are delayed. There is a smarter way. Meet Obligo AI, your intelligent platform for contract, policy, and compliance management. Obligo AI reads, understands, and analyzes your documents in seconds, identifying risks, obligations, and compliance gaps automatically. Features of Obligo AI: I detect key clauses and critical terms instantly, monitor compliance across contracts and policies in real time, and securely connect to your organization's repositories, including SharePoint, Dropbox, Google Drive, and other enterprise storage systems. Whether you operate in legal services, manufacturing, finance, real estate, healthcare, or enterprise operations, Obligo AI adapts to your workflow and scales with your business needs. Reduce review time by up to 70%. Minimize legal and compliance risk, and make faster, more confident decisions. Because great legal work isn't about more documents, it's about better control, clarity, and confidence. Obligo AI, transforming legal complexity into clarity. Discover Obligo AI. Book your demo today.